time in Python. I have some to-do list items for my school. Pen, paper, pencil, eraser, sharpener, crayons, and markers. What if I want to-do list in Python? Cool! Python has a data type called list to do that. Python list can store many strings like my to-do list. Let's create a list variable called to-do list and give values like pen, paper, pencil, eraser, sharpener, crayons, and markers. When we create list, we put our words inside a square bracket, shown in orange color separated by commas shown in yellow color. Let's print the type of variable to-do list and guess what? I got list in the output. Let's print the length of variable to-do list using command len and guess what? I got 7 in the output, which is number of items in my to-do list. Similar to our books library, Python also has libraries which we can use. Python library is Python code which somebody already wrote and gave it a name. We can use it anytime when we need it. We will use a library called Random for our game. Random is a Python library. Random can help Python guess a word. Use Random library in our code. We will use a command called import and write import random. To get our guess word, we will write random.choice in brackets our list variable to-do list. Import the library random. Let me create a variable called to-do list equal pen, paper, pencil, eraser, sharpener, crayons, and markers. Print type to-do list. I got the list in the output. Print len to-do list. I got the answer. I got 7 in the output. Guess equal random choice. Rest equal random dot choice. To-do list. Print guess. I got the answer. Eraser, markers, pen, crayons, eraser, pen, pencil, eraser, crayon. String game is so much fun in Python.